Shinjuku Goen is a serene and picturesque garden nestled in the heart of Tokyo. Spanning over 58 hectares, it offers a harmonious blend of Japanese and Western-inspired landscapes. Divided into three distinct areas, namely the Japanese traditional garden, the English landscape garden, and the French formal garden, visitors can immerse themselves in the beauty of carefully crafted ponds, lush greenery, and vibrant flowers. To reach Shinjuku Goen, you can easily access it from Shinjuku Station, one of Tokyo's major transportation hubs. From Shinjuku Station, follow the signs to the Shinjuku Goen exit. It's approximately a 10-minute walk from the station to the garden's entrance gate. Alternatively, you can take a short taxi ride to the garden if you prefer. Once you arrive at the garden, simply purchase an admission ticket at the entrance gate. The entrance fee is typically affordable, providing access to explore the various gardens and enjoy the serene atmosphere within. Inside the garden, you can follow the designated paths and explore each of the three garden areas at your own pace. Shinjuku Goen invites you to discover a haven of tranquility amidst the vibrant energy of Tokyo. Whether you're seeking a peaceful stroll, a moment of reflection, or simply a break from the urban chaos, a visit to this enchanting garden promises a rejuvenating experience.